Hello, how are you? How's it going? It's a pleasure for me to greet you through these videos. Today I bring you another very simple tutorial on how to do the classic V-cut with a different technique, step by step. This is a very simple and easy technique that you can even do all by yourself. So please stay in this tutorial because I am going to give you the detailed step-by-step instructions so you can thoroughly learn. Are you new to visiting this channel? Would you like to learn how to cut hair, do image designs, makeup, and much more? This channel is designed for you, so I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to activate notifications and be among the first to see the new video. Let me introduce you to Mariana and the girl we are going to give the haircut to. I have uploaded 2 previous tutorials on how to cut this V-shaped haircut. This time I am going to show you another technique that is also very easy and very precise. Your cut will turn out very precise. First, we are going to make our first section from ear to ear, and we are going to comb all the hair forward, making sure the hair is well wet so that you can stretch the hair as much as possible. Once the section is made, we are going to take all the hair and secure it perfectly well towards the front. And I am going to cut approximately 6 centimeters off the length, which is the damaged part of Marielle's hair. You can cut less or more as you prefer. Next, I will very carefully take hair from the side and very gently place my fingers at an angle, bringing the hair to the center and joining it with the center part, using the center as a guide. On the other side, I will do the same exact procedure. Exactly. Once I have carefully cut my first section, I will then take out another one, and it will be approximately about 3 centers below the previous one. I comb the hair perfectly well, bring it to the center, and I want you to notice that in this section, I am almost not going to cut anything at all. I maneuver to the sides and see that I am not actually cutting, indeed, if anything. Only really from the sides to the center. The hair remained even. That is why I tell you that this technique is very easy to perform and the V-cut is well defined. Notice that I am only cutting on the sides. Now I comb all the hair forward. It is important that the hair is well wet and that you apply a mask so that the hair is well hydrated. I comb it forward and I am practically not cutting anything. I move to the side, position my fingers at an angle and cut only the excess. Here, I am already cutting much less hair. Finally, on the other side, I do the same procedure. I want you to see how even the cut looks. Once it's cut, I'm going to take thin sections, starting with the center. I want you to see how the section is, and I'm going to elevate it to 90 degrees and look for my shortest guide to see if any little corner of the hair sticks out. I want you to observe that this is the only thing left over. I keep taking sections in the same way, bringing them to the center and checking that there are no excess ends. So if you want to do this haircut, I definitely recommend using this technique because it will be very simple and you can even do it yourself or with the help of someone else. Absolutely. I move to the next side and do the same procedure, carefully pulling at 90 degrees, bringing it gently to the center, and precisely cutting the small excess hairs. I'm going to shape the hair a little look with my own hands, and I'm going to move the hair a little bit with my hands and see how it looks. We comb all the hair normally usually, and then section it again once more from ear to ear on the side, on either side. I pull the hair towards the very center of the face, ensuring and check that there are no any excess ends. I am doing this procedure so that you can see and understand that this cut is very, very precise. If you carefully observe, there are minimal excess ends. You are going to section from the middle of the forehead to the middle of the nape and pull all the hair forward. Then you will place your fingers at an angle and check for any excess ends. There are very few excess ends. On the next side, they will perform the same exact procedure as they did before. Exactly. Once the sides are carefully checked, we will then precisely cut the bangs, creating an inverted V section of hair. I'm just going to take all the hair and bring it to the front, and I simply want you to check again to make sure the hair is practically even. This haircut will indeed suit Marielle very nicely, whether her hair is straight or wavy. Now I am going to carefully and precisely divide the head in half from the front to the nape, and I will gently pull all the hair forward and meticulously texturize the ends about 4 centimeters. We are going to remove weight with the tip of the scissors in the way you are seeing. Why do I do this? I do it so that the hair settles better, and when Marielle straightens it, it looks like it's beautifully and perfectly layered from the front. I want you to see how the hair will look when it is wet. The V shape is perfectly and clearly defined. The hair falls very nicely, so she will be able to wear it both wavy and straight, and it will look absolutely beautiful both ways. Indeed, truly beautiful. So you won't have any excuse to say you don't know how to cut the layered haircut. Now we are going to finish this cut and apply a hydrating straightener. This treatment will help us achieve a perfect straight look for Marielle. It eliminates frizz, leaving the hair very beautiful and shiny. Here we are already seeing the finished cut. As you can observe, it is a cut that allows you to maintain the length and also looks very nice because you can style it both with curls or straight as you prefer, and it will always give you that look of abundant hair. Thank you, family, for joining me in this tutorial. Remember that your comments are very important to me, so I look forward to them. See you in the next video. Sending you a big hug and many blessings.